G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia. Welcome to Loch, the home of online gaming, wonderful views and Australian wildlife. I do hope you like these videos, if so please subscribe. G'day all, how you all going? The time is 25 to 8 in the morning and just saw this magpie having a bath just as soon as I came out. So I might as well just come and watch this for a while and then head off down the beach. And we've got a couple of coloured birds there waiting for a bit of tucker as well while I got it. Well, I try to get the tucker. No, I think he's had enough of his bath. Let's see what this little one does. What the magpie does. A good scratch there, are you? Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'll go back to that magpie. Keep him in the picture, I think. See what he does. He's killing himself at the moment. When we go back to the bath, have something to eat, scare the other birds away, or just fly off. It's back onto the, come back for another bath. Having a drink at the same time too. Oh, they're flying off. He's just enjoying himself. Oh, we're going to fly off for a second. Beautiful animal. Oh well, he's had his thing, had his bath. He's going to go look for some food, I think. Anyway, my name's Wilfred West from Loch Sport, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.